Good guys, so this is the Matt Lane Producer Hub answering the question, can you record vocals with the FL Studio Fruity Edition? The answer is no. So if you're trying to purchase FL Studio, click the link in the description. I get credit for that sale at no additional cost for you. But if you're trying to record vocals, you need the Producer Edition at least. So the Fruity Edition will not help you record vocals. So I actually have the All Plugins Edition, but I had the Producer Edition for many years. And just so you know, you can always upgrade from the Fruity Edition to the Producer Edition and just pay the difference. So if you already have the Fruity Edition, you would just have to pay the difference, whatever. I think it's like $80 or something like that. Anyways, yeah, and I'll show you, like, this is how you could record vocals. I got a beat here. All right, so I'm gonna go like, this is just kind of how it would look. It's actually pretty simple. And now you get the privilege of hearing me rap. Let's go! Yeah. 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 Yo, waiting for my dream girl. Eating a lollipop, aka ring pizzle. I already know what dizzle. I'm sitting here making a video. I don't really rap like that. Well, sometimes I do. Yeah, what do you ooh? I'm just sitting like woo. Yeah, I'ma finish the beat. Why? Because I'm on my feet. I ain't embarrassed. I don't have to watch this. Nope. It's already done for me. I'm just feeling it. You already need. You already know how it be. That's right, I spent the whole video. Click the link in the description. You know I win. Trying to get that money. You know that it's funny. Okay, we stop there. Alright, so you guys get the point there. Let's hear that. Yeah. 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 Yo, waiting for my dream girl. Eating a lollipop, aka ring pizzle. I already know what this is. I'm sitting here making a video. I don't really rap like that. Well, sometimes I do. Yeah, what do you? All right, so y'all get the message there. Yeah, I'm definitely releasing this one. That one was for the streets. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And peace out. Yeah.